was amazing. We get to sit and look at that all night.
Good job, Captain.
Yeah.
Baby swing. Baby swing. Baby swing. There it's going. It's going.
Just a tip. Just a tip.
Just a tip.
Used just about all of our battery, and we're not sure if we're gonna be able to start the engine. You just never know. We are on the boat currently, and we are getting ready to anchor out for the first night ever. I'm a little anxious. We have been setting an anchor alarm and then kind of dragging a little bit. And I watched an entire YouTube video on Danforth anchors, and apparently, you know, they lift and settle and lift and settle, and, you know, we don't have a mantis yet, but we're gonna make do. Got some friends coming out, so if anything happens, we've got extra hands on board, and we're going to cook out and make breakfast and play on the water tomorrow, because it's supposed to be amazing. So we will see you guys there.
Our first time fishing!
It's your first time fishing, huh? This new wheel is super weird and small,
Can I do it?
but
It's very nice though to walk by.
it makes more room for our body.
Yeah. Let me see.
Okay, can I sit down?
Yeah, sit down.
Hey! There's nothing.
You just gotta be patient,
Don't
buddy.
hook it on me, please.
Fishing is all about being patient. That's why Daddy doesn't fish.
Yeah, because Daddy's not patient with anybody.
Here. No. That's not what I want you to do. I want you to hold the rod. Just hold it and wait. Oh, wait.
Did you catch a duck?
Oh my God.
What happened?
Came apart.
It's pretty cheap.
Jesus. We had a fish, Carter.
What?
Yeah, but Mommy bought my first reel.
Well, I didn't think it was going to be a serious fisher.
Well, did you see that?
But maybe two fish will come then.
Only one fish can bite at one time.
But we'll have 3 fish.
Well, we'll have nowhere to put the fish on the boat, so...
No, we're going to do catch and release.
No, we'll wrap them really tight and then put them in the barrier. Bell.
In the bell.
And the barrier too, they don't fall
Alright, buddy, I
around.
feel like a really good feeling we're going to catch a fish of some sort over here.
Wait, let me see.
No, let's try it.
Look, Carter, sit right next to it. Watch. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Look at Mama.
Let's take a picture.
No! I want to eat it!
Oh, hello.
I can't believe Mama. This is really cool. Right?
You did it. See how good y'all are?
You gotta cast it.
I'm just a little bit nervous because I just told you, what if we're sleeping and like another boat runs into us? And you're like, okay, add that to my fear bucket list.
How do you feel?
I feel okay. We're good. We got supplies on board. We're good. We got this.
We got supplies on board from the nurse.
We've got supplies on board. That's what she gave me. We're towing the dinghy just in case something happens. We can dinghy off and get help. Behind me. Oh no! Don't do that. We got a real small wheel, so this is super weird looking. It's actually I like it better.
Alright, well I'll take our big one and put it on for the assignment.
Yeah, I actually really like this.
first time.
We're doing this together.
None of us are afraid. It's actually really beautiful. I'm not.
No, I love this.
I have more
I think
fears.
I actually think I love this. I love that we're doing it together. It's an experience. We're gonna get through this. We got this.
We got this.
We're doing it.
I'm not really nervous about like anchoring or any of that. I just am sort of nervous about drifting, and that's about it. You know,
Yeah.
like the anchor alarm or something like not starting in the morning, or just that's all I'm concerned about, really. But the moon is beautiful.
It is. Full moon, guys.
Yes. Whoa! Look at that. That is amazing. Yeah, we get to sit and look at that all night.
Yeah. Not a bad spot.
And listen to
spot
the
in the house.
ocean. You can see Kima Boardwalk all the way back there. That's crazy. I got my solar lights are working just fine out here. We're gonna be really visible to everybody. Cool. Cheers.
You gotta get that sunset over there.
That sunset, the moonrise,
I mean, yeah, the moon.
the sun moon,
We'll call it the moon set.
the moon set.
We're gonna rock this shit.
Rockets.
And if
This is
we,
gonna be nice and cool.
yeah, it's gonna be cool. And if we do sink, we got life jackets and a dinghy.
Yeah, we got the dinghy. Dinghy's hanging in there back there.
Give you some comfort.
We're doing it.
I feel like this is straight up camping on the ocean. Alright, windscoop setup. First time, no clue. I'd watch YouTube video. And I have no clue. I just tied it to the head sail. And you know, hopefully it'll scoop some stuff here. Ooh, I'm hearing fish.
You hear that?
I heard it.
Drop that rod.
Drop the rod, you do that. I angled the windscoop to see maybe if it would like give us a little more flow through the boat to the back.
Huh?
I'm like, can we feel it anymore? I'm gonna go see. Oh yeah, y'all are gonna be so cool.
Well, there's this stuff that someone told us about. It's called Fireball.
Zooming in on that one.
What is that?
Who's ever had Fireball? That's crazy.
Yeah, so it's about to be a pass around gift for everybody.
All right, you gotta do a toast.
All right. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. And we.
Cheers to being on the sailboat at night, conquering fears.
Many fears.
Yes.
We're anchored out for the first time.
Don't
Yes.
worry about it.
Popping the
Big
cherry.
experience. We love it. We're rocking it.
Carlos's famous words. Don't
we
worry
have-
about it.
Don't worry about it.
And we have a road right there.
Why are you acting like you're going someplace?
It's all for the video.
It's all for the video.
We're at anchor.
All right, we ready?
First swing.
Woo!
Swig-a-lig.
Swing a leg, youngster. Money. Let's get it, dude.
Let's get it, dude. While
my
we
God,
wait,
that
we
was a big
hydrate.
Alright, cat. Get it, cat. Lieutenant Diane. Oh man, that light is
Carter,
killing
next.
it. Hey, but it is glistening on the bottom.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Oh
whoa.
my god, that was so good.
Oh no, we can see the line right now. Do a little baby swig. Baby swig.
Yummy.
Baby swig. Baby swig. Baby swig. There it's going. It's going.
Just a tip. Just a
Just
tip.
a tip.
Just a
Just
tip.
a
Just a
tip.
little bit.
Just a tip.
It's like a terrible big red slice of gum.
Oh, it's amazing. It's a mouthwash.
Then we have
Zika.
That's mine, by the way.
little watermelon White Claw. What else are you drinking besides your Fireball?
That's my White Claw. You're drinking mine over there. You're drinking
Hey,
mine.
you don't drink my watermelon. No. No, you know that's my favorite. You don't drink mine.
Alright, Kim, calm down. Calm down.
Kim.
I got hooked. Alright, look.
No more of that, man.
Here.
There you go.
Oh my god, did you just drink the last of the bottle? It's disgusting. I don't think we drug any. I don't think we drug any. I didn't sleep very well because it was very hot. And I kept getting up to fix the windscoop. I couldn't get it to work. Yeah, and when it wasn't working, it was flapping. And it's a small boat, so yeah. Might also be a little hungover. We'll probably do a little breakfast cooking, and then put out the floats and hang out. Watch sunrise. It's actually already risen, but it's still going up. So we have used just about all of our battery, and apparently the alternator is not charging as we motor, so the fans aren't working, and we're not sure if we're gonna be able to start the engine. See if the solar can kick in a little bit. The batteries are separated, but you just never know. You want to take a ride real quick? It's not going to go nowhere, bud.
Why?
Hold on, let me start it before we tie. I don't have any sunglasses. It's a bad idea. I'm going to get it, buddy. Bye.
Especially my mimosa.
Mimosa juice.
But then you're gonna ask for
My
another.
morning juice. We did sleep on the boat last night.
Yep.
It was fun. It was good.
Y'all slept like goddamn babies, and I was up every hour.
So
That's what fireballs do to you.
And just as everything was going smoothly, Carlos and Carter got stranded on the dinghy with an outboard that wouldn't start. They were quite a bit away, in fact, so we had to scramble to hop out of the water, reattach the wheel, remove the windscoop, blow up the anchor, and go on a quick rescue mission. A first for me, as I've never actually been on the boat without Carlos, let alone rescuing him. This is when our man overboard training from Windward Sea Venture came in really handy. We're going to get them because the dinghy stopped, like the outboard stopped working, and they don't have paddles or like oars or anything. Well, we did that.
Hell yeah.
All three of us did that. She was on the camera, we were on the anchor, you were on the phone.
Good job, Captain.
Yeah.
Well, thank God there was a kayaker out there.
To be able to call, we would have just been waiting here.
I was like, what are they? Are they fishing out there or
Oh,
what?
they're with them. They're gonna kayak them over.
So you got two types of people. You got the captain slash first mates. I don't even know if I'm saying all this right, but the responsible party. And then you have the person just hanging out, you know, along for the ride, just having her mimosa. And this is who we're rescuing, Carlos and Carter.
No, turn this way.
Turn this way. Got them. Got the refugees.
Hey, y'all want to come aboard?
Yeah, unless we're stuck on a...
Get up there.
Kendall, we made it to Redfish Island.
Woo! First time. Not for you guys, but for us.
All right. Got some people leaving. No, it's my first time at Redfish Island.
Is it?
Yeah. There's a whole area where you can go to the beach over there, but...
Too shallow, right?
The one time we come to Redfish Island, our dinghy isn't working, but we're towing it, so might just have to anchor, I guess. Be pretty cool to go on the beach, though.
Nice.
I want to see. I want to pop my lenses in.
I love Newfound Glory.
They remind me of what is that movie? American Pie.
Really? They were in American Pie?
Now we're just hanging out. Carlos is putting sunblock on me because clearly I need it, or he had extra. And now, but there was a couple of sailboats here earlier. There's a couple people partying over there. I wish the dinghy worked so we could come up to the beach and play. Carter would really like that, but now that we've done it once, we realize we can do it again. No problem.
To our 500 fans.
We got 500 followers. It's kind of crazy.
Graceful, my lady.
Yeah, get her on. Hold on, it's my foot is in the water. One, 2, 3. Woo!
Please, world.
I'm about to get crushed in the dinghy.
Go!
Please note that I'm saving.
5. That's after this.
What do you think, Kat? Where are we headed?
You know, we're just heading back towards homeland. I don't know, just towards this area. It took us about an hour to get out here and then another hour to redfish, so we're just making our way back towards Schema.
And we didn't catch any goddamn redfish. Note that. We saved Carlos and Carter on the dinghy. And Emily, she drove everything. She ran that ship, so that was good.
Trying to avoid a collision with a boat right now and also
Shallow
ground.
seas, yeah.
I can't wait to get that on video. Oh God.
Freeways?
Like
They have
weird
speed
to eat it.
bumps.
Oh.
So showery.
Oh, by the way, you need to start your own YouTube channel.
I have one.
Okay, well we're gonna be
You're gonna be debuting the YouTube.
debuting.
First Mate Emily.
Alright, I'm gonna have you turn it on and go to channel 22. Do you know how to do that? Turn them until they click,
Okay, got it.
and then you see the buttons where there's numbers up and down.
Yep.
Go to 22.
Bam.
What?
Woo!
Nautical. You're so naughty.